Bimeda Telsol is located in the Welsh market town of Denbigh. Our manufacturing facility produces the world's only soluble glass bolus, and our R&D facility allows for the development of innovative new products to meet market needs. We manufacture, package and export boluses globally. When science meets farming, great things happen. We'd like to show you why our boluses are completely different to any other bolus available in the market. They provide a convenient, cost-effective and controlled method of supplementation and undergo a completely unique manufacturing process. This is the melter facility where the phosphate glass is manufactured in a purposely designed melting pot reaching temperatures up to 750 degrees Celsius. Raw materials are pre-weighed, mixed, melted overnight and cast while being cooled. Only the trace elements which can withstand these temperatures are added at this point. During this melting process, the phosphate chains interact with the trace element cations, resulting in our unique ionic copper and ionic cobalt formulation. As the glass is not annealed at this stage, it is broken into smaller pieces and weighed into drums for transfer to the next stage of the process in the sintering plant. The sintering plant is a temperature and humidity controlled environment in which the glass is converted into boluses. This involves milling and sieving the glass to a particular particle size, mixing and binding other trace elements which cannot withstand the melter temperatures, before being granulated, pressed and sintered within a kiln. The kiln is programmed to run through various heating and cooling stages to remove binder materials and all stresses from the bolus. Depending on the size of stillage used, this process can take up to 21 hours. Quality is ensured throughout the manufacturing process as the quality control department analyse all raw and intermediate materials and test every batch of product produced to ensure the trace element content and rate of dissolution meet the stated product specification. During the packaging process, every bolus is visually inspected. All finished product batch manufacturing data is reviewed and certified by quality assurance. The Bimeda soluble glass bolus provides exactly the same amount of trace elements every single day for up to 6 months in cattle and 8 months in sheep. This means that there are no variable intakes and no guesswork for the farmer. This is particularly important for animals requiring cobalt and iodine, which cannot be stored in the body and therefore a daily supply is required. Their long-lasting nature is also highly convenient and reduces labour costs as repeated treatments are not required during the life of the bolus. As the same amount of trace elements are supplied every day, there are no peaks and troughs in supplementation which could impact negatively on health and fertility. Products in the CosaCure range include CosaCure cattle, sheep and lamb. Products in the CosaEyeCure range include CosaEyeCure cattle and sheep. All boluses are manufactured under good manufacturing practice, with one bolus being licensed with the Veterinary Medicines Directorate as an intraruminal device, and the remainder of our boluses are registered as complementary dietetic feedstuffs. To find out where you can learn even more about our products, please visit our website, where you'll also find trial data and product specifics as well as best practice materials for farmers, vets and SQPs.